have to say that these times have been very interesting, to say the least. We're definitely seeing, how the lifestyle of everybody is evolving and is changing, and now homes are becoming, the personal space, the workspace, the school, and so on. So we have definitely seen more interest in, changing a little bit the functionality of the house just to make sure that accommodates everybody's needs. People now that are spending more time in their homes, they definitely see that they can have improvements around the house and the kitchen and how the house flows. So then you have the clients that have maybe they are a little bit older kids that are doing online school, but they're independent or old enough to be doing it independently. So they need to have that, defined space in the home for each of them where they can have a little bit of that privacy to be able to focus on school. So then we also have the families where maybe they have the, little ones and they're doing learning pods. So now they need to accommodate more than one kid. So maybe those pods are 5 or 6 kids at the time with a tutor. So maybe it's, now the dining room is going to be becoming the learning space, but they also need to have the dining. So it's just, how each client, each need will be different. So how we incorporate the design to solve and to present solutions to each of their needs.